you're on.
Well, hello, I'm Dr. Trent Ryan. I'm with Regen America, Centers for Regenerative Medicine. I'm going to educate you on what is arthritis. Osteoarthritis, which is the most common form of arthritis that we see all the time. We see hundreds of patients a week with osteoarthritis. We're going to talk in the future about rheumatoid arthritis and psoriatic arthritis and all these other arthritises. They're more autoimmune. But the ones that we see the most of are osteoarthritis. When do they start? In your middle age. How do they form? We're going to talk about that in a few minutes. How did you get this in the beginning? And who's prone to these type of things? But let's start with what is our osteoarthritis? Well, it's degeneration of cartilage and overgrowth of bone in a joint. And it comes from certain things we're going to talk about. The first thing that we're going to show you is a spine. And a normal spine here, on a side view of the spine, we see some nice space between the cartilage, the bones look good, but as the arthritis develops, you lose the space between your vertebrae, the discs. You end up getting these bony overgrowths and spurs. The cartilage degenerates. Same thing happens in a knee, same thing happens in a hip, a shoulder. It doesn't make any difference. This one actually slipped forward, and there's some ligament stretching there. We're going to talk about what that is. So this is arthritis of the spine. Now here is a shoulder. See a nice space on this x-ray, and you lose the space. The cartilage has eroded away. We're going to educate you again on what creates that in the future. A hip. Look at the nice space of the hip. Look at it degenerate and disappear. And the whitening is the bony overgrowth trying to basically fuse the joint together. Very painful. Fingers, same way, should look nice like this and ends up getting a gull wing deformity and practically gets bone on bone in the fingers. Knees, just like that. You usually get one side of the joint that's nearly going to get touching the other bone. Okay. Next video will educate you on where the arthritis comes from.